Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So it's a really great news for all Dogecoin holder because Dogecoin not just unique, my friends. Dogecoin, you can say, my friend, the all cap from our kiddies wake up. So I am so happy to see this because this is one of my favorite coin, and I am so excited to see this. A lot of holders, my friends, do what a big mistake. One of a big mistake. If you check out my previous video, so I already tell you to don't sell it, otherwise you lose. So today is absolutely, my friend, a day to I will tell you to check out my previous videos. Absolutely, my opinion is absolutely gonna be right now. So thank you so much for everyone who trust on ABS channel. This time 10,500 people subscribe our YouTube channel. It's mean to the all are trusted on ABS channel. ABS channel, one of the unique YouTube channel. They will guide you, they will give you a real opinion. So kindly follow this channel. I hope you never lost if you are new and crypto market. So thank you so much for everyone who are subscribing our YouTube channel. All right, my friends, come to the point. This video is going to be very branded now. You know why? Because in this video I will also predicate today now to an upcoming time. Absolutely, they will wake up. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time the future is going to be bright now, and they will give you a profit. But I will give you some more information in this video, so try to understand, my brother. Especially if you can see, my friend, the chart results. Exactly, the chart result is going to show you to just only in last 24 hours this coin is profit now 7.43%. The price is increased now, and the price is come down to come out to 0.21 USD dollar. So it's mean to the price has come down from 7 USD dollar to 2 USD dollar. But absolutely in last 24 hours this coin is recovered now. I hope, my friends, they will recover you just in only in this month. So if you are not a holder, if you want to invest, if you have any plan to invest in Dogecoin, so kindly invest today. Absolutely, this time is good. It's gonna be good now because the price is increasing now, and this time absolutely the direction is moving upward now. So it's meanwhile to the future is gonna be bright now. So if you invest in those days, so I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. My opinion is please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.